Gender ideology has no place in our K through 12 school system.
The law at the root of the state's ongoing feud with Disney is now expanding to all grades. The Parental Rights in Education law, known by critics as the Don't Say Gay law, now extends to the 12th grade. Thanks for joining us. I'm Lisa Bell.
Yeah, glad you're with us tonight. I'm Matt Austin. So this law restricts lessons about sexual orientation and gender identity, and up until now, only applied to students in 3rd grade and below. News 6's Treasure Roberts is live in studio tonight with reaction from people for and against the expansion. Treasure.
Matt, education leaders agreed to expand the hot-button measure labeled by critics as the Don't Say Gay bill. Now all public school grades are required to comply with the rule impacting instruction. The Florida Board of Education expanded Florida's Parental Rights in Education law from K through 3rd grade to grades 4 through 12. It bans classroom instruction about sexual orientation and gender identity. There's exceptions if lessons are required by existing state standards or as a part of a reproductive health instruction that parents can opt their children out of.
This clarifies that we codify our standards. This is not banning the Supreme Court cases from being covered. This department, this board does not ban any books.
Education Commissioner Manny Diaz says this sets expectations. Teachers must stick to teaching the standards.
Creating a culture of inclusivity, equity, and inclusion is the job of a teacher.
Shauna Jackson, a former educator, calls the rule dangerous for students and an added stressor for teachers, mentioning her former colleagues who are a part of the LGBTQ community.
They were concerned that if they were to talk about their spouse in class, sharing what they did on the weekend, they might get reprimanded.
Orange County School Board member Alicia Ferrant is happy the FDOE doubled down on the rule.
Many parents here in Orange County and throughout our nation have been concerned that our public schools are teaching gender ideologies, and those are things that we can be teaching at home. Every family is different.
Andrew Spar, Florida Education Association president, highlights a statewide teacher shortage, saying the Department of Education is focused on the wrong thing.
What teachers and staff want to do is have a safe, warm, welcoming environment for every student.
Leaders say the rule was meant to bring clarity. Some claim it's too vague.
When a student comes to a teacher and wants to talk about something, teachers now have to say, well, hold on a second, I don't know if I can talk about that.
A spokesperson for the Education Department says the rule will take effect after a procedural notice period that lasts about 1 month. Lisa.